want to welcome everybody to the awards. Let me give Ryan Benton, John Henderson, Mark McCain, Jarrett Melton, Dean Birmingham, John Garza, Jason Tino up here.
Oh, he's calling in if I want.
These are all the guys who are our fishermen. These are all the guys who caught fish. And so let's do a little hand for these guys. I'm all excited they all thought they won.
Yeah, me, I was like,
okay, without you guys, this wouldn't be possible. Without you guys, 940 Kayak family wouldn't be possible. So I want to thank you guys for representing. I also want to thank the Marina for hosting this thing, Lake Ray Roberts Marina. I want to thank Cowtown Kayaks, Bonehead Bait and Tackle, Sportsman, and who am I forgetting? Pond King. And Gribble Springs for supplying all these prizes that we have here.
And then what about the guys that did that Eagle ice chest?
Oh, who is that?
And the fishing pole.
I will tag them in, or note it on the page. Okay, our biggest total inches will be Ryan. Congratulations, you won the bass. You can choose this one, or this one here. Either one of those three prize packages. There is $60 cash, and each one of them is valued about $100, a little over. So you can pick which one you want. I'll let you have the pick since you got the largest total. That one there? Okay. Go ahead and grab your stuff up there. Yes, sir. Okay, and next is John Henderson. Catfish portion. There's 2 prize packs left. That one over there, and this one right here. Each one of these Pond King deals has a $25 gift certificate. There's 5 dozen minnows from Gribble Springs, and then the rest of it's pretty self-explanatory. Mark McCain, congratulations! You won the crappie portion of the fishing tournament, and you get the one that's left because you got the least total number of inches.
that's awesome.
Hey, well, crappie is small. Crappie, he was really close. It was really close.
No, but I'm not sure what the poll is.
Where is?
Hey, kids, do you have some of these?
Come here, bud.
You already have some? Okay.
Hey, awesome having you out here. Got you a couple stickers for your kayak.
What's that?
Thank you very much for coming out. We hope to see you again. Thanks for representing the next generation for us.